Hi, hi, good morning. All sorry, today got little bit delay. So I'll just show you the view what is today. So the market has opened actually above the value area, but inside the range actually. So let's see what is in monthly and what is in weekly, and accordingly we will be move forward. See, actually, this is weekly chart. Like weekly chart, it's around. That's a monthly chart actually. This is a monthly chart. So monthly chart is very bearish. Looks very bearish. And then even you see this weekly chart as well. So weekly chart is actually it's very bearish. So both are in bearish. And then but market is opened above the value area. But you see the entire range of volume how it got shifted from the from top side. See, it is absolutely it's a very good shift from the locations, and then you can see here the accumulations has been happened here. Maybe it can be retest these levels and can be come down back, and then that maybe that's the possibilities are there. And then like the market profile also the range actually is completely it's got shifted to downside. So these are the last 3 days actions has been happened, and then the accumulations of buyers and sellers and mostly are here. So let's see. Yesterday actually market profile value is here, and then inside only the volume profile value. So based on this only the market is going to be acted upon. See, actually I was expecting here it is. Like you see, can see many buyers are there, but market has been closed down. So this area. So market has been opened here and went up. Actually, it is cleared this area, and then it is coming back to range. So let's see what will happening today. Maybe if it is comes inside the range, it will find the balance where further is going to be get ready. So let's see where the balance are there. Just we will find out and we will mark the location. So that balance area. So we will be following through. See, already I marked here before. This is the very well balanced area. So if in case the market, if it is comes like this level can be hold much more. These all are the anomalies, and then here also we have some anomalies. This is the best anomalies. This is the first one actually. So we could able to easily catch these positions over here. So let's see, we will find any trade here or not. And this area easily it will broke. So if it is broke actually we need to find out something like kind of POC, any abundant POC like kind of which one like VPOC anything is there, will let's see kind of single POC which is not touched by anybody. So that POC if it is there, so that one actually we can able to capture. So I think nothing is there last 3 days, and here also nothing is there. So okay, fine, we'll wait for some time. This today I think it's not going to be a normal day because already it's opened and market, and it's going to be this is initial balance. Still it is not prepared initial balance. I think till 8:45 we'll wait. So after that we will be plan our trade properly. Okay. Hi, ma'am. Good morning. Actually, I just finished my view on monthly and weekly. What I was saying that monthly was very bearish because of there are some single prints, and then you can see market also it has been taken to 23,822. Like after that, in a weekly also it's completely in a bearish mode. But today the market is opened above the value area, and then it is holding also, but while we were seeing in the footprint chart, like kind of market profile chart, it's holding. But I was referring to the footprint chart, but footprint chart as well, like it shows the weakness, like kind of which area we can able to expect it. The same wave of mine last week, what I have like last Friday, what I have given. So this was like opening is here, and it has been tested somewhere in the like low points, low areas. If in case it wanted to test the area, its maximum come to this level, and it can touch this area, and then even till this area I can able to say this area is a very strong area. It can touch and it can come back. So kind of reversal I'm expecting. So until where it can go, I can say if in case the bearish is continuous, like bearish signals is continuous, it can come to this area. So here is anomaly is there. So this area it is a very high probability area can touch. If it is broken this area, we can straight away come to POC or value area low. And then I have shown you my clear levels on Friday. So this is the like kind of a balanced profile which I'm referring to. So may possible this balanced profile can be filled. So I was waiting for this is my view for today. So like it may be happen today or tomorrow. That is upon the market situations and market conditions and whatever it is. So that's my wave. If anything you have you have any wave, just let me know. Like we can able to discuss further. Actually, guys, actually, I wanted to explain you on like only thing that just I wanted to give you a story like without anything like kind of not related to the market and whatever it is. I just prepared a story so which I have been read in the market kind of fin shots and then like ET, and these are the stories I used to read. So I wanted to share along with this live as well. So what story today I wanted to just tell you, that is India and like South Korea. So they have done a big deal. You must have read in the online. So I'm just explaining in my way. So how you can take it up, please. If anything is I have mentioned wrong, you can just correct me also. No problem. Like South Korea president actually he came to India. She came to India, and then just it's not for just a Photoshop like photo shoot. Oru, like it was a serious business meeting. Actually, it's happened between two countries. Like kind of they have decided that 27 billion trade now actually it's happening in the Indian market. So they wanted to take it up 50 billion dollars. They wanted to take it up before 2030. So it's around 15 industries actually they wanted to focus. One is semiconductors and shipbuilding, energy, AI, and culture. So these are the main like kind of industries. So after that, so they wanted to like improve on many sectors as well. like what is a benefit for India, like when we dependent on China. So we have kind of a strong manufacturing base build in India. So அதை வந்து நம்ம இந்தியாவில் பில்ட் பண்ணணும்னு அவங்க நினைக்கிறாங்க. ஸோ கொரியா அதுக்கு பர்ஃபெக்ட் பார்ட்னர் நம்மளால். ஆக்சுவலி we need a perfect partner like kind of a China or whoever it is, but Korea is our perfect partner. So like we have Samsung, Hyundai, POSCO, SK Group. ஸோ இந்த கம்பெனிஸ் எல்லாமே வந்து பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா வேர்ல்ட் கிளாஸ் கம்பெனி. ஸோ அவங்க டெக்னாலஜியும் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸும் இந்தியாவில் கொண்டு வந்தாங்க அப்படின்னா it would be a very good improvement in Indian infrastructures. இப்போ பார்த்தீங்கன்னா லைக் போஸ்கோ ப்ளஸ் ஜேஎஸ்டபிள்யூ ஸ்டீல் சேர்ந்து அவங்க வந்து ஒடிசாவில் லைக் ஆல்மோஸ்ட் $1 பில்லியன் ஸ்டீல் பிளான்ட் போடுறாங்க ஃபார் ஷிப் பில்டிங்கு, ரயில்வேஸு, டிஃபென்ஸு, இது எல்லாத்துக்கும் யூஸ் ஆகிற மாதிரி. ஸோ இதில் கொரியாக்கு என்ன பெனிஃபிட் அப்படின்னு நீங்கள் பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா அவங்களோட டொமஸ்டிக் மார்க்கெட் ஸ்லோ ஆகுது. ஆனால் சைனா, யூரோப் எல்லாமே அன்சர்டினிட்டி பிளான் ஆகுது. ஸோ ஆனால் இந்தியா க்ரோவிங் இன் மிடில் கிளாஸ், ஹியூஜ் டிமாண்ட். ஸோ இதுதான் கொரியாவுக்கு வந்து கோல்ட் மைன். ப்ளஸ் கொரியா ஆல்ரெடி இந்தியா கிட்ட 12.8 பில்லியன் ட்ரேட் சர்ப்ளஸ் வச்சுருக்கு. ஸோ இன்னும் வளர்ந்தா மோர் ப்ராஃபிட் தான் அவங்களுக்கு. ஸோ இது வெறும் ட்ரேட் டீல் இல்லை, இட்ஸ் டூ கண்ட்ரீஸ் லைக் சைனாவோட டிபெண்டன்சி இல்லாமல். ஸோ வி ஆர் பில்டிங் எ பார்ட்னர். ஸோ ரெண்டு பேரும் ஸ்ட்ராங் பார்ட்னராக பில்ட் ஆகிறாங்க. ஸோ இந்தியா கெட்ஸ் டெக்னாலஜி அண்ட் இண்டஸ்ட்ரியல் ஸ்ட்ரென்த் அண்ட் கொரியா கெட்ஸ் ஏசியாஸ் நெக்ஸ்ட் பிக்கெஸ்ட் மார்க்கெட். லைக் சைனாவை கம்பேர் பண்ணும்போது நம்ம தான் பிக்கெஸ்ட் மார்க்கெட். ஸோ தான். ஸோ இஃப் இன்கேஸ் வி ஆர் எக்ஸிக்யூட்டிங் இட்ஸ் இன் அ கரெக்ட் வே, இது ஏஷியாலே ஒரு மிகப்பெரிய கேம் சேஞ்சிங் பார்ட்னர்ஷிப்பாக இருக்க வாய்ப்பு இருக்குது. So that's my story today. So let's watch the market now. Because why I was telling these stories and all, because see, I wanted to like combine in English and Tamil both of it. So I just combined it. If anything, my voice or whatever it is way of telling, if anything you want to guys to change, சொல்லுங்க, கமெண்ட்ஸ் பண்ணுங்க. ஸோ பார்க்கலாம் என்ன ஃபர்தர் பண்ண முடியும் அப்படின்ட்டு. ஸோ as I mentioned you, இதுதான் நம்மளோட டார்கெட்டும். ஸோ ஒன்ஸ் இந்த பிளேஸ்க்கு வருது அப்படின்னா மார்க்கெட் இஸ் டைரக்ஷன்ஸ் இஸ் கம்மிங் ஹியர். ஸோ லெட்ஸ் see what is going to happen. Okay, we can see here in a footprint chart very clearly, like here the buyers are there, but still the market has been closed down. But still I have a hope that this place will be touched. So this place will be get touched. Maybe after that, any directions can be switch over can happen over there. So let's wait for your time and my train. My actually I used to trade very oftenly, like maybe per day one trade or two maximum I'll do. So I did not done any trade till now today. So like today I have not executed anything. So if anything is there, I will update you further after finishing the trade. Because as per the SEBI rules, I could not able to update my trades in live. So whatever it is, I will update you after my trade executed. I told you my market view in the morning only, so it will touch and it will be come back from here. So I'm expecting on this case. Let's see. Even though the seller weakness, you can see there is no sellers. Hardly few people are there. Mostly you can see the buyers 694, 262, 133, and here some sellers was there because they were hunted here, and 100 lots. So you can see here almost 625. That means the market is pushing upside. So let's wait for the levels and trade accordingly. So always you wait for the trade location and trade accordingly. Okay. I'll be back in 10 minutes. Mm, just watch the market actually. So this is the levels I have been marked. So once it is finished, like once it's touched, I think we'll able to get a reversal over here there. So let's see. So how the market is going to be reacting. So I'll be keep footprint chart in alive. So you just watch there. So I'll be finished my work and I'll be back in 10 minutes. I'm just on my, I'm getting a call. Hope you can hear me. Hope you can hear me. So here actually it has been, as per my strategy, is that day high is finished. Mm, it just can touch the level, but I think it cannot cross the level. Let's see. So what's happening actually, the value got shifted to be here. This is now become a POC, primary POC, and this would be the secondary POC. And people are hesitant to, these are the low volume levels in throughout the day actually. So 857 and 881 is there. So let's see what will happening further development in the market. So market came, touched the level, it got reversed, and then it got opened above the value area, and then it's performing on the directions of upside. But we have biggest ledge here, so this ledge is our target. But by the time I think we got the doll pattern here, so this pattern actually like with a POC and then two kind of like, so this pattern actually it will give you more clarity on the day high. So based on that, so we could able to finalize this will be the day high. So let's see. I'm expecting the market till this level. So if it is area, it could able to cover it up. It will. So the market is the supreme power. So he will be acting like his way. So we have to go along with his way. That's it. See here, actually, the sellers have not entered anywhere here. Only the buyers are there. Buyers are wanted to push the market up, but it's not like it's not an aggressive buyers actually. So this kind of initiative buyers, and we need to check it up. Like wait, let's wait for some time. So what's happening? So my view is that this is the day high is happened here. So let's watch. I have shared on monthly view. So monthly view where we are now actually. So monthly view, if you see, these are the monthly views which I have shared. So this is my first area to be target. So this is already done and it has been broken up and it has come back to this level. So we have another 3 days. So like Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So let's see. So what will happen in these days? So how it's going to be reacted. So these are the levels I have marked in the daily chart, like 5 minute chart. So it's happening there. So did you see here? We got the exact rejection from the same level of POC here. So it's coming back. So it will be a very good place. Did you see here again? Buyers are trying to push this place to be get it up. So let's see. So what's going to be happen in this place? So accordingly, like we could able to take a trade. So let's wait for this area, and then before taking a trade, you take your financial advice. Take your financial advisor this thing. So then after you can able to take the trade. You can see here there is no sellers are here. So if the sellers are there, it's of course it's fine, but there is no sellers are there. So it's completely it's pushing a market on upside. It's completely pushing a market on upside. We have to wait for this level actually. Let's wait for this candle how it is going to be like reacted to it. can you refer this place actually? How the buyers are getting pushing very hard here. Actually, you can see here, guys, here many times this is the same place actually getting rejected in the same location. You can see here like 24,000 1 to 1. I think this is the location. It's getting rejected in the same POC points. So we have something here, this place. Let's watch continuously this place. So if how the market is going to be reacted here, the same way it will give you the good trade locations to be here. Okay, so just watch it and then accordingly plan your trade in this case. Okay. Actually, I told you on the live session here actually. So till we are in live, so just see here this place. It got broken on this area. Let's watch our levels. So accordingly, hope you can follow me on this. Actually, I was referring to OA chart. OA chart, actually, the OA chart 24,000, the put options was very strong. Today got developed almost 1.08 crore, the change, put OA change only. So if you see in 24,000, the put OA change is overall is 4.48 crores and call OA is almost 3.1 crore. So let's see in 24,000 levels we could able to see, and we can see our levels near to 24,000 at least. So where I have marked the levels in 24,000, the same points are here. So our targets, our OA data, and our all scenarios is meeting our levels. So we'll wait for till these levels, and we'll see after what will be we can able to plan. See the sellers has been aggressive, sellers has been entered, and then like they are pushing down again the market. Let's see. Can you see here actually how the buyers are actually trying to break our psychological levels in this point? Actually, there are many buyers here, many buyers, many buyers. We were saying together actually its market is pushing upside and all, but still it could not able to break this level and it has been came down to this hour levels. You can see here. So this is the power which we are actually reviewing the market in live session. So let's see. So target still we have around 24,000 we expected. So how it's going to be perform in that level, we'll see. Okay, guys, we are closing our live today. So you can see here, this is the level which I have marked. So you can expect to this levels, and after you can check it up how the sellers and buyers are there on this place. Accordingly, you can plan your trade and discuss with your financial consultant, whoever it is for taking a trade you personally. Okay. So this is only for educational purpose, which I'm sharing my views in the market. So thank you so much for joining today. We'll see tomorrow. Bye.